Have you been looking for a feature-rich audio router with digital control? If so, Intusonic has the answer. Introducing the INTUGRID HMA74 from Intusonic, a hybrid audio router with digital control and analog signal path for best audio headroom. This feature-rich audio router is host to a wealth of input options including dual microphone connections, acoustic wireless audio streaming, a 3.5mm TRS auxiliary input, and a bank of rear mount RCA connections for various hardwired options. Each source can be easily selected by using the source button and rotary encoder on each zone output. What's more, the user can define the mix value between microphone and source inputs by simply pressing mix and altering levels using the encoder. Finally, the HMA74 allows the user to independently set the name of each zone output from a number of built-in preset tags, allowing easy zone recognition. Each zone output offers extensive configuration including mono-summing of the output signal, switchable 100Hz high-pass filter for connected smaller speakers, adjustable 2-band EQ, and emergency system control options. Offering further flexibility, an optional wall panel is available enabling the user to adjust both source and volume controls, and providing additional local inputs from a remote destination. Discover more at www.intusonic.com.